Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly change your YouTube name. The first thing you have to do is open your YouTube or sign in to your YouTube account. So for example, if you have signed into a YouTube account, you probably might come to this page right here where you have YouTube videos. If you are right here on youtube.com, what you have to do is come here right here at the top at the right side where you have your icon. So I have my icon here, click there and then click your channel. This will take you to your channel, so where you have all your videos. So as you can see, I don't have any video here, but this is my YouTube channel. If I had videos, they would appear right here. So what we want to do here now is to change this name here. To do that, click here at this side where you have customized channel. So what it's going to do, this is going to open your YouTube studio where you can change your name. So you can see this is a YouTube studio, and down here we are under customization tab, and right here at the top you have layout, branding and info. So if you want to change your name, you click here on basic info. Then you have this small pencil where you can click and change the name. To do that, you just have to select, delete what you have right there, and then write the name that you want. Once you have done that, what you have to do is click right here at the right side where you have publish. One thing to take in consideration is that once you change the name of your YouTube channel, you are at the same time changing the name of your Gmail. Since we have changed this name, when you exchange email with someone else, the name that will appear on that person inbox will be this one here. This is how you change your YouTube channel name. So if you are already at YouTube Studio, what you have to do is right here on the left, find customization. As you can see, there is customization, click there, and then it will take you to this page, the same I showed you before. And right here, you just have to go to basic info and change the name that you want, and then click on publish. Well everyone, that's all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you did, like it, subscribe to the channel and share it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.